Hello, it's Miss Danielle with the Grimshaw Municipal Library, and I'm here to show you our next character spotlight. So because we have so much snow up here, we thought it would be fun to be able to build a snowman in your own house. So we picked these books to spotlight a character, and in these books it talks all about these snowmen that do different things. This one in particular, what the snowmen do at night when no one's watching.
Mm-hmm.
So in your kit this month, you're gonna find a bag of baking soda. You're gonna find a container with conditioner, hair conditioner in it. You're gonna find 2 brown pipe cleaners, 1 orange pipe cleaner, a ribbon, and a little bag that has some beads and some eyes in it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure you can guess these are going to be our snowman's arms, and this is going to be our snowman's nose. Also, you're going to find a piece of cardstock in your bag, and this is to make your snowman a hat, and it can be whatever shape you want. So we're going to move over here.
Moving.
Show you. This is the little snowman that we're going to make.
Too bad my phone isn't scratch and sniff.
So the cool thing is that this stuff feels cold when you touch it, which is an interesting chemical reaction, I guess, to the conditioner and the baking soda. So you're gonna take your bag. Now I tried this 2 ways, and this is the way I think worked better. First way I tried it is I dumped my conditioner right into this bag, and then I tried mixing it up, and it actually was hard to mix up. But if you have nothing but this bag, you could do that. It made my hands a lot gooier when I tried putting my hands in and stuff. So what I would suggest is you take your bag, you dump it into a bowl.
Okay.
And then you take your baking soda, then you take your hair conditioner, and you also dump that into your bowls. So you'll have powder and liquid, kind of, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you're gonna use your hands, and you're just gonna mush. You're gonna mush and mush and mush until it gets about this consistency.
Okay, so that is kind of powdery mashed potato consistency. I don't know what that is. What do you call that?
I don't know, but it's cool. It feels cool, like it's
And
cold.
not just cool as in cool, but cool as in a lower temperature.
Yeah. So you're gonna make a ball out of your snow, and to make your snowman, you're gonna make 3 balls. So the amount that we're giving you is enough to make 1 snowman. So you're gonna make your balls, stack your snowman, and you're gonna use your brown pipe cleaners to make arms, your orange pipe cleaner to make a nose. You stick in the eyes, the ribbons for his scarf, and there we have his little hat. Now the neat thing about this is when you are done, you can just pull all of these things out of him, and you just crush your snow back up, and you can just put it right back into the bag that your ingredients came in. So you just put it right back in there, and you can zip it up, and you can use it another time. If you want to make more, we have directions on the back of our little sheet here that tells you how to make more. And this will make about 3 snowmen.
Okay. So full disclosure, parents, if you, Miss Danielle, can you put your hand out? Like we're going to shake hands? Yeah. That happens. So it is not maybe something you don't...
Don't do on the couch.
Yeah, not on the couch.
Yeah, maybe.
Or in the car while driving.
Yeah. Yeah, probably kitchen table, counter would be best. We would love to see your snowman when you're done. Once I finished mine, I realized he has angry eyes. But I think he's so cute. So
He is pretty cute.
When you finish them, if you want to send us a picture of your snowman, we would love to see them. And I hope you guys have a great new year, and I'm looking forward to 2026 and all the wonderful characters we can bring to you. Bye.